Good morning, class. So, we were dealing with the chapter Computer Virus. Yes, up till now, we have covered in this chapter what is virus, what are the types of virus. Then, we have also discussed about virus symptoms, that what all things when you will see in your computer, so you can identify that your computer is infected by the virus. Then next topic which we have studied was how virus is spread. There were three basic ways how the virus comes to your system. First one was via removable storage device, then from internet and through email attachments. Then the next thing which we have studied was sweeper. Sweeper means it resembles itself as an antivirus software, but it don't cleans it, but it downloads useless files, too many useless files to your system, and your system slows down. Then we have studied about malware, what is a malware and what are the types of malware. Okay, then we have studied about computer worms, how it works and how it disturbs your computer. Then the next topic which we have done was Trojan horse. Trojan horse, the concept was taken from the old story, and as that wooden horse was responsible to conquer the city of Troy, similarly here the Troy software is willing to take all the information and access of your computer. Now today we have to deal with the topic spyware. Yes, as the name suggests, spyware, so it is similarly as the work of spy is there. So what does the spy do? Spies, what is the main feature of spy? Spies never ever show their original identity. They never ever really reveal their original identity. They resemble themselves as somebody else, some other name they give, some other profession they give, some other appearance they give. Yes, same is the work of these spywares. Now, what is the definition? Spyware is a type of malicious software that gains entry into a system and monitors the user's activity without his knowledge, and then reveals the collected information to another interested party. Means they collect the information from your system and give it to somebody else, those who are interested in that. Spyware programs can collect various types of personal information such as internet surfing behaviors or surfing habit, visitor web pages, passwords, and even credit card numbers. So these are the sensitive things which you are dealing with on your system, and these all things are being stolen by the spyware. They have the ability to scan files on the hard drive, snoop other applications such as chat programs or word processors. Means they can even scan your hard drives, whatever files are there in the hard drive, they can scan that also. They can search for their relevant information in your chat programs also, like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, all these and many more are there, or the word processor where you have saved your documents. While doing so, they consistently transmit this information in the background. They don't keep the data with them, they continuously transmit the data to the server. Yes, to someone in the background, to someone else who will either sell the information to another party or use it for advertising and marketing purpose. Either they can use for their benefit or they can give it to somebody else for money. Next, sometimes they also change the computer setting, which results in slow connection speed and wrong functionality of other programs. So many times it happens that they control the working of your system, of your computer, the settings which you have placed, all those things are being under their control. They change the setting, and just because of that the working of your computer is not proper. Then the next thing to study is how to prevent virus to come to your system. What are the tips which you should follow? Because nowadays, along with money and gold, data is the another thing which is so precious. Yes, so to save your data, what you can do, the very first thing is equip the PC with some antivirus program and keep it updated. You should have a good antivirus software in your computer, and you should regularly update it. Getting? You should regularly update it. Then the second is, check whether your antivirus software has the potential to detect spyware and malware. If not, you should install some anti-spyware programs also in your computer. Many times it happens that whatever antivirus you have installed in your system, it is not having that capability to find out or to make your system safe from malwares or spyware softwares. They are just giving you the protection from the virus. So in that condition, you should, before installing any antivirus, you should check that whether those things which you are using as an antivirus in your system, those softwares which you are installing in your system to protect your system, they are having that capability or not. If not, so what you should do, you should install another software, a anti-spyware software, which is going to help you to protect your system from spyware softwares or malware softwares. Fine. Then the next thing is, install a firewall on your system to control the incoming and outgoing network traffic, because nowadays everybody's system is connected with internet, right? Because every work is being done through internet. So you should install firewall, so that firewall is basically a checkpoint which checks that what is coming in and what is going out. In case it finds any kind of suspicious file, so it will prompt you a message on the screen that this thing can harm your computer, and it makes you alert. Then the next is, always scan the pen drive before copying files. In case you are having a good antivirus software in your system, it will do it automatically. But if it is not doing that, so you should do it manually. Means you should make a habit that before opening or before using the files in the pen drive, okay, you should scan it. You should scan it first, then only you should use that. Then the next is, avoid downloading and installing pirated software from the internet. Pirated means stolen. So if you are getting anything stolen, so definitely that is not authentic. So in that condition, if you are downloading and installing an pirated software, so there are chances that you will get infected, your system will get infected by the virus. Okay. Then next is, scan the downloaded file before opening them. Whenever you download any kind of file, either an email attachment or whatever, those kind of files you should scan first, and then only you should open them. Then next, scan the hard disk twice a month. Means that you should make a habit that you should scan your complete system by antivirus at least twice a month, so that whatever the viruses or infections will be there, you can rectify what all things is there. Then next is, take the backup of imported files every day. Whenever any kind of files are there, yes, which you are creating, you should make a backup of it. In the last class means in class 6, we have studied about Google Drive, remember? So you should keep a backup either in Google Drive or in some pen drive or somewhere else, but you should keep a backup, so that if any kind of mishappening happens, means any kind of thing is disturbing your computer or your system crash, so your important file should be there with you. Okay. Then next is, use internet and email chat attachments very carefully. Whatever is coming to your internet through emails and all, you should use them very carefully. Never click on an attachment in an email unless it is from a genuine and trusted source. If you are not aware that from where it is coming, so you should not open it. Then what is an antivirus? Because this is going to protect your system. So antivirus is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from your computer. There is a three work of an antivirus. It is going to identify, then it is going to prevent, and then it will remove the virus from a computer. It performs the following task in the computer. These are the tasks which are being followed by the antivirus. The first one is, scans computer file to look for known viruses from virus dictionary and tries to remove them. What is the work of antivirus? It scans and checks it that these kind of viruses, known viruses means what all are there in their directory or dictionary. Then next, identify suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. It searches for those things also which are suspicious, which can harm your computer. Okay. Then the third one is scans incoming mails which might contain virus in the attachment. It also search for or scans those mails which are coming, and in case they can have the virus in them. Some popular antivirus software in use nowadays are McAfee, Quick Heal, AVJ Antivirus, Microsoft Security Essentials. These are the very common ones nowadays. Okay. Then how does an antivirus works? The very first thing is a virus database that contains a list of file patterns which are used to identify a virus. There is a list of virus, and when it scans your system, it matches those files with those your files, the computer files which is there in your system, with its list. In case it matches, so it shows you the message on the screen that okay, a virus is there in your system. Second component of an antivirus is a scan engine, which scans files and compares them with the pattern files to verify if there is any infection. And in case they are not having means if the first point is any virus is not there in the list, then they will search for those patterns which can harm your computer, that is done by the use of scan engine. The scan engine can be run when the user explicitly activates it, or it can also be set at to run automatically. It's your wish, you want to do it manually or you can set it on automatically, means as soon as that thing will be active, it will start working. Okay. Automatically, anytime a file is opened for a computer is executed, means as soon as the file will become active, it will start working. This is called real-time scan. Real-time means scan means at that particular moment only. Yes, as the file is done, there itself the scanning will be done. Real-time scan runs continuously in the background. It provides maximum protection by scanning the opened or saved files and displays a notification message. So in real-time scan, it runs continuously in the background, and whatever files are coming in the RAM or the memory, it goes on scanning it. Okay, and it gives you the maximum protection. This kind of work gives you the maximum protection. Then what is the importance of regular update? In the tips I have told you, you should update your antivirus means regularly. So what is the importance of that? We have discussed in the above section that every antivirus has a virus database that contains a list of file patterns, right? So means it is having its own list with which it matches, which are used to identify a virus. Yes, therefore to catch it is a new type of virus. To catch a different and a new type of virus, the virus database of an antivirus has to be updated frequently. Your list have to be updated because daily some new viruses are coming. Simply installing antivirus software in a computer does not guarantee 100% protection, as the installed antivirus program may not be able to detect the new virus program. So to make it aware of new virus program, you should regularly update them, means you should update your list with new virus names also. Okay. And antivirus software will ensure that the system is always armed and well prepared for the war against all types of threat, means as a new kind of enemy is coming, so you should be ready with the new types of weapons also. Okay, that is why when you are updating your system, so you are updating your system to fight against the new virus. Latest virus protection is a crucial for protecting your valuable document. Protecting your computer and personal files from virus threat is a continuous ongoing activity that you need to be vigilant about. You should always be active to make your thing updated so that no kind of new virus can attack your computer. Okay, you should be more vigilant about topmost antivirus softwares. Companies provide the facility to download latest updates from their websites. In case you are not having a authentic antivirus software, so you will not be able to update it properly. That is why it is said that you should always buy a authentic antivirus software and you should regularly update it. Okay, companies give them the new features also, and it updates their list with the new viruses, new enemies. Okay, then at the end in your book it is also given the steps how to use an antivirus software. So there are certain the steps are very easy, but whenever you will start scanning, whenever you will start your antivirus software, you will find three options over there: whole computer scan, scan specific file or folder, and anti-rootkit scan. Means it depends on your requirement what you want to do. Whole computer scan will scan the complete system, or if you want to scan a specific file or folder, means you can make the scanning to a particular area only. Or anti-rootkit scan means it is going to for each and every means inside the application, it will go in each and every application inside it to its root to find out that no kind of virus has reached to their roots, means to the basic files. Okay, and with this chapter is over. The question answers of this chapter is also been provided, uploaded. You can go through it and note it down. Okay, I hope you people have understood all these topics, and all the videos are over there. In the next class we will deal with the next chapter, that is ethics. Yes, that is ethics, the chapter number 4. Okay, ethics and safety measures in computing. This is the 4th chapter which we are going to start next. Please keep your copies ready with the notes and start learning them. Okay, so that anytime I can ask your copy for correction. So you should be ready with that. Okay, till then, be safe and study properly.